In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive Windows 10 pop-up. If OneDrive keeps appearing on your Windows 10 computer and you'd rather stop those pop-ups, this is a quick and simple setting you can change. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, look at the taskbar in the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll want to find the OneDrive icon there. It usually looks like a small cloud. In some cases, it may be hidden inside the system tray, so if you don't see it right away, click the small upward arrow to show additional icons. Once you locate the OneDrive Cloud icon, click on it to open the OneDrive panel. After the OneDrive window appears, look for the gear icon. This is the settings and options menu for OneDrive. It's typically located near the top corner of the panel. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open the available menu options. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main OneDrive settings window where you can manage how OneDrive behaves on your PC. If you've never opened this area before, don't worry. You only need one option here for this process. Inside the settings window, look for the option that says Unlink this PC. Click on that option. This will disconnect OneDrive from your computer, which can help stop the recurring pop-up behavior related to syncing or account prompts. Depending on your system, Windows may ask you to confirm the change. If it does, simply approve it to complete the action. Once your PC is unlinked, OneDrive will no longer stay connected in the same way, and that usually prevents those unwanted notifications or pop-ups from continuing. Keep in mind that unlinking your PC does not necessarily delete your files from the OneDrive cloud. It mainly removes the connection between the app and your current computer. If you ever want to use OneDrive again later, you can reopen the app and sign back in to reconnect it. So this change is reversible if needed. That's all it takes to disable the OneDrive pop-up on Windows 10. Just open the OneDrive icon from the taskbar, click the gear icon, go into Settings, and choose Unlink this PC. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly clean up those interruptions on your desktop.